Yeah, it is just a beautiful day here in Oregon. Wow. I'm up here on one of the taller peaks here, and just out for a little ride, enjoying life. Looking at this tree over here, it's massive. It's not very tall, but man, it's stout. Look at this thing. It is just massive. Look at that. I mean, I can't even, there's no way I'm wrapping my arms around this thing. Wow. Each lead is like 40 some inches wide, maybe even 50. It's just massive. Big old timber here. We got some big boys over there too. These things are strong, man. They just been getting the wind up here and just getting thick. I mean, that thing is a lot of wood. It's massive. Yep, the bike's running good. Yeah, she's running real good right now. Getting all of it dialed in. Man, I love this thing.